welcome back to One Hot Bite. Today we are making tacos. Not just any tacos, we are making Margarita fish tacos with a Chipotle lime mayo sauce and some arugula. So these are fancy tacos, but they're super easy to put together. We're using fresh halibut today. And again, you guys know how I like it light. 2 tacos, 270 calories. You can't beat that. So we're gonna marinate our fish really quick. This is super easy. We're using tequila, of course, because it's margarita, and we're gonna use some citrus. We're gonna use fresh lime, and we're gonna use fresh orange juice and a little bit of sugar to bring that all together and marinate it. So let's quickly marinate our fish, and that's gonna sit for 30 minutes. Let's get that done. Okay, when I marinate any kind of fish or any kind of meat, I like to use a gallon Ziploc bag. I put all my sauces and everything inside. I go ahead and stick my fish or my meat or whatever, my chicken. I seal it up nice and tight, and I can stick it back in the fridge. I can turn it around. It's not in a bowl. And so anyhow, this is my little secret trick. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in a Ziploc bag and get it marinated. Okay, so my bag doesn't fall over with all of my wet ingredients inside. I get a glass, any glass. It can be a mug of any kind. I stick my bag just kind of down inside a little bit. So now I can have it sit flat and hold my ingredients so that I don't spill anything. Okay, our halibut is all in the marinade. We're gonna let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes. While we're waiting, let's whip up our Chipotle lime mayo. Okay, so our Chipotle lime mayo sauce is made. Our halibut is still marinating. We're gonna go ahead and warm our tortillas just according to the package. I know you guys out there make the fresh ones, and I one day will do that, I promise. And I know they're gonna taste 1,000 times better than this, but tonight we're gonna go quick and easy, and we're gonna go ahead and warm these up according to the package, and then we'll put these tacos together. But we gotta cook our fish too. So we're at it. Why don't you guys, if you like what you're seeing here, and if you're having any fun with me at all, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give me some likes and comments, and we have so much fun here every Monday and every Thursday. Okay, our fish is done marinating. We're gonna pull it out of the marinade. We're gonna discard what's in the bag. We're not saving that for anything. We're gonna pat the fish dry. A little salt and pepper. All right, now we're gonna cook it. done this. Oh, that was beautiful. All the way through. Okay, all of our ingredients are ready. So those of you that have been with me for a while, you've seen my nifty little taco holders. So we're gonna put our tortillas in. Our beautiful halibut. We're gonna get some good chunks of that. Fill our tacos. We're going to take some fresh arugula. And our beautiful sauce that we made. Here are your margarita fish tacos. Whew, I'm pretty sure that was the quickest, easiest, healthiest taco night you're ever gonna have. So you can see our beautiful one hot bite tacos. So let's give them a bite. Oh, these are delicious. Mmm. 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 There's a little zing in that. It's so good. The fish is cooked perfectly, and you get that little zing from the Chipotle chilies that get there, and then you get the citrus, that orange and lime coming through, and the arugula kind of bites you. If you've ever had arugula before, it kind of has that little tartness to it, and it kind of balances it all out. That is a one hot bite. So happy Thursday to you all. Don't miss Monday. We're making peachy stuff again, and it's an appetizer that you're gonna wanna serve at every single gathering you have for the rest of the summer while peaches are in season. So love you guys. Have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you Monday with some awesome stuff. But make these tacos right away.